Welcome back guys. Today I'll be showing you how to do a EGR remove from an ECU file. Previously I showed you how to do a DPF remove with the Professional DPF Remover. Today we're using the Professional EGR Remover. So go ahead and open up the software. And today's example is going to be the Vauxhall Corsa, so we'll go under Opel and we'll go for EDC 15 series switch and we'll open up the file. EGR map found, so we press OK to remove the EGR, and we can save the file as the Corsa EGR removed, and you can press save. And if you go onto the folder, you'll see the EGR remove file is here and it's ready to be put back into the car. So now you can close all of this and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching.